Thank you for joining us and learning how to bulk upload 1099 income statements as a third-party user. Before getting started, please see our Revenue 411 video on how to create a third-party profile if you do not already have a third-party user profile created. As a reminder, employee W-2 wage records and 1099s must be submitted to the Pennsylvania Department of Revenue by January 31st following the tax year being reported. This includes 1099 miscellaneous, 1099 NEC, 1099-Rs, and the annual reconciliation statements, REV 1667s. Customers who file 10 or more W-2s or 1099s are required to file those records online through myPATH. To get started, visit mypath.pa.gov and sign in by entering your third-party username and password into the black login box at the top right-hand corner of the screen. After completing the two-step verification and successfully signing into your profile, you will need to locate the Accountant Center hyperlink at the top right corner of the screen. Next, locate the bulk file panel and click on the hyperlink that says Upload Sales and Employer Withholding Files. You will be taken to a screen that says Bulk File Upload, which tells you the type of files that you can upload via myPATH. Please ensure your files are formatted correctly before attempting to upload, as the system will return an error message if they are not. To view the appropriate file specifications for your transaction, click on the View File Specifications button. From there, click on Employer Withholding Upload Specs. For this example, we will look at the specifications for 1099 NEC income records. This row shows how your columns should be formatted before uploading. You will notice that under State Tax Withheld, 1099 NEC Box 5, it mentions, if reporting greater than 0, you must obtain a PA Other Withholding Account ID. This means, if there is any withholding reported on the 1099 NEC, the issuing entity should have an Other Income Withholding Account established. If there is no withholding, then simply upload the income statements, as no account is required. Once the file is formatted correctly into a CSV file on your computer, return to myPATH and click on the Add File button. From there, you will need to select the file type. As mentioned, for our example, we're going to select the 1099 NEC. Next, enter a description of the file. And finally, click the Choose File button to retrieve the file from your computer. Once the file is selected and everything appears correct, click OK to continue. Once the file is uploaded, click Submit. You will be taken to a confirmation screen, which provides a confirmation number. You will want to keep this confirmation number for your records. Please keep in mind that income statements can take up to 48 hours to process and post to the system. If attempting to file an REV 1667 annual reconciliation, you will need to allow 48 hours for the information to populate.